are watching News Horn TV, and this is breaking news. This is the road, the N4 road, and there's an entryway going into Kanyamazane. As you can see, a truck had an accident and fell over, and people are picking up oranges. They don't know what's going on or what happened, and they are actually not that much worried about the implications that might come upon them if ever this is legal or illegal. Apparently, there's a guy that we interviewed that explained to us that there was somebody guarding these goods to make sure that they come and pick them up, but eventually he got tired and gave them permission to come and just pick up the oranges and just clear out the road. So futhi kwenakala nangiqoqela ukuthi yini lokubonile.
Lana siyadindulena sibona ama orange manje ngasikune truck lewe ekseni, so ugada wahluleka sekhona lapho wabe sisinika le chance ukuthi nathi sidobhele la sekubonile la ene ngikundile ngokudobhela.
Ngiyadobhela banikile imvumo ukuthi nidobhele lo sokuwile.
Ya basinikile imvumo ukuthi sidobhele sokuwile ngoba nayo umlungu ugade kakhulu manje wabona ukuthi singasakhona ukuthi avimbele sive lesi ngoba sive silambile phela. Khumbula ukuthi siphuma ku lockdown. Mase sibona into esothi ayivulele yonke umuntu lockdown ngoba netshwala buvulekile nama orange avulekile.
Manje labantu bona bese bafuna bebaphusha lo mlungini ukuthi badobhele lo kulaphasi aze anivumele kumbe bekabona ukuthi hayi ngathi angeba msidi.
No, abakamphusha umlungu ubonele simo sokuthi akasakhona ukugada ngoba sukule kuseni solugadile. Yabona? So ulenze ethi khaftini wadla wathinwa. Yabona? Seyobe seyuvumela abantu ukuthi abathathele ama orange. Ena fresh phela. Yeah, fresh manhle kabi.
Viewers, as you can see that the people are picking up the oranges. This man was explaining to us that a truck fell over and these things actually fell, and now he allowed, there was a guard guarding these things. This is actually quite interesting. Viewers, this is the N4 road just around Kanyamazane, the entry to Kanyamazane. And viewers, reporting to you is Bahle Mashaya. Nakalani futhi la?
La le truck le beyiqhamuka ngalamalelane. Ya shaya ebondeni. Yawa ngendasi mama. Njengoba ubona nawe ama orange sapha la siyahla. Adlali maye. Ngilama orange. Yethi.
Mama ngicocela ukuthi kwenakalani lana nawe ungenela kanjani la?
Angathi usukwenzakalani. Mina ngithole badobha ama orange nami ngafika gadobha.
Manje ungathola ukuthi bayatshontsha ke nawe sekufika amaphoyisa abantu bamba no.
Awuboshwa sonke kuthi plan.
Ngamane niboshwe nokuthi niyekele ma orange atidlale
la siyahamba. Sesiyahamba.
All right,
Sabonga.
Viewers, this woman was explaining that she also doesn't know what's going on. She just stopped by and saw people picking up oranges, and she also decided to come and join the crew. If ever they get arrested, she doesn't care. But right now they are leaving. As you can see them, they are done picking up the oranges. As we have interviewed the guys, as you have heard from the interviews, that some of the people actually don't know what's going on. They just saw people picking up oranges and they also decided to join in. And if ever this is illegal, they do not really care much about the implications. There's a guy, however, that explained to us that apparently as a truck spilled this, had an accident, and these oranges fell over, and there was somebody gutting these goods, but he eventually got tired because this happened early in the morning, and he decided to give them permission to take the oranges and actually clear out the road. Viewers, this is Bahle Mashaya reporting to you live in Kanyamazane.